Don't get turned away at the captain's table or embarrass yourself at the pool deck. These 7 dress code mistakes could ruin your cruise vacation in 2025. Cruise safe here, and passengers are being denied entry to restaurants because of mistake number 4. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss another cruise-saving tip that could save your vacation. In the next 8 minutes, you'll discover exactly what not to wear in every cruise area, plus the insider secrets cruise staff use to spot dress code violations before you even realize you've made one. Stay until the end because mistake number 7 will shock you. It's something 90% of first-time cruisers get wrong, and cruise lines are cracking down harder than ever in 2025. Stay until the end because mistake number 7 will shock you. It's something 90% of first-time cruisers get wrong, and cruise lines are cracking down harder than ever in 2025. This mistake happens every single day on cruise ships, and it just happened again last week on a Carnival cruise. A passenger wearing a G-string swimsuit near the kids' pool area caused such an uproar that security had to intervene. Family complaints flooded the guest services desk. Here's what cruise lines won't tell you. Thong bikinis and overly revealing swimwear might fly on Virgin Voyage's adult-only deck, but wear them in family pool areas on mainstream lines like Royal Caribbean or Princess, and you'll face immediate complaints. One family on social media reported their entire pool day was ruined when inappropriate swimwear appeared near the splash zone. The solution? Pack tasteful one-pieces or board shorts for family areas. Save your bolder choices for adult-only cruises or private beach days. And always wear a cover-up when walking through indoor areas. Porthole Cruise reports cover-ups are now mandatory in all indoor public spaces. A stylish sarong or quick-dry tunic lets you transition seamlessly from pool to buffet without breaking any rules. The maitre d' stopped this passenger at the door because they showed up in ripped cargo shorts on Celebrity Cruise's chic evening. The embarrassment was real, and dinner plans were ruined. The entire family had to eat at the buffet instead of their reserved specialty restaurant. Modern cruise lines have shifted from formal night to evening chic, but passengers still show up in gym clothes or beach attire. Royal Caribbean and Norwegian now enforce dress codes more strictly than ever. Life Well Cruised's latest video emphasized how dining room staff receive specific training to spot violations. One cruiser felt completely out of place wearing a full tuxedo when everyone else wore smart casual attire. The fix? Forget the ball gowns and tuxedos. Pack a cocktail dress, blazer, or tailored pants. A flowy midi dress or sport coat with chinos works perfectly for these nights. Remember, 70% of cruisers now skip traditional formal wear for relaxed elegance. AllCruiseHotels.com reports that overdressing makes you stand out just as much as underdressing. In Cozumel, a passenger was turned away from a jungle trek for wearing flip-flops. The entire family missed their $150 excursion because of inappropriate footwear. No refund, no second chances. The tour operator wouldn't budge on safety requirements. Tight jeans, long dresses, or open-toe sandals spell disaster for active excursions. Ziplining in Belize, snorkeling in Grand Cayman, hiking in Alaska. Wrong clothes mean you're watching from the sidelines. Macmillan Travel warns that safety regulations are stricter than ever, and tour operators won't bend the rules. Pack breathable athletic wear, closed-toe shoes, and quick-dry clothing. One smart cruiser praised their water-resistant Skechers Go Walk sneakers for all-day comfort during European port tours. Slippery pool decks claim victims daily. Cruise Critics' 2025 report shows falls from inappropriate footwear are the most common cruise ship injury. One passenger's Santorini shore excursion ended with a sprained ankle from wearing heels on cobblestone streets. The medical bill? Over $800 for basic treatment in the ship's medical center, stilettos on gangways, recipe for disaster, flip-flops on wet decks, emergency room visit waiting to happen. Metal gangways get slick with morning dew. Pool decks stay wet all day. The answer? Slip-resistant sandals, supportive sneakers, or comfortable flats. Pack shoes with actual grip. Cruise Tips TV's latest video showed exactly how to test shoe grip before packing. A Mediterranean cruiser brought a winter parka. Their cabin was 185 square feet. The parka took up half their closet space and was never worn once. Meanwhile, they froze in overly air-conditioned dining rooms because they forgot a simple cardigan. Caribbean cruises aren't always tropical paradise temperatures. Theater shows can feel like Antarctica. But bulky winter coats waste precious cabin space unless you're heading to Alaska. Cruise.blog, quote, S 2025 article highlighted how small cabins make overpacking a genuine problem. Layer smart, lightweight jackets, pashminas, cardigans. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. A simple scarf saved one princess cruiser from shivering through every evening show. Seniors especially struggle with this balance. Looking great matters, but so does walking 10,000 steps daily on ship decks. Those designer shoes might photograph beautifully, but leave you limping by day 3. One couple missed their anniversary dinner because foot pain kept them cabin-bound. The secret senior cruisers discovered? Versatile pieces that work overtime. Linen shirts transition from shore tours to dinner. Mix and match neutrals with bold accessories create multiple looks without overpacking. One experienced cruiser's trick, the 3-to-1 ratio. 3 tops for every bottom piece. This one ruins more cruises than all others combined. Overpacking creates cabin chaos. Forgetting essentials costs hundreds in onboard shops. One cruiser forgot their prescription sunglasses and paid $400 for replacements on board. Another left their phone charger at home and spent $75 for a basic cable. The disasters multiply. Forgotten medications, missing adapters, no waterproof phone cases for excursions. Cruise ship shops charge premium prices for basics. That forgotten sunscreen? Triple the price. One passenger calculated they spent $600 on forgotten items during a 7-day cruise. Smart cruisers use packing cubes and detailed lists. Essential items get packed first. Medications, chargers, reef-safe sunscreen, lanyards for cruise cards. Which mistake surprised you most? Drop a comment below with your cruise fashion disasters or close calls. Every single comment gets a personal response because your stories help other cruisers avoid these same mistakes. If you're still watching, you're clearly serious about having an amazing cruise. The algorithm needs to know you want more money-saving cruise content, so smash that like button and help other cruisers find this vital information. Share this with anyone planning a 2025 cruise before they make these expensive mistakes. Your free cruise packing checklist waits in the description below. It covers everything discussed today, plus 15 bonus items cruise lines never mention, but experienced cruisers never forget. This checklist alone saves cruisers hundreds of dollars in forgotten essentials. Subscribe to Cruise Safe for more insider secrets that protect your vacation and your wallet. New cruise tips drop every week, and next week's video reveals the dining room secrets that get you VIP treatment without paying extra. Click the notification bell so you never miss another money-saving cruise secret. See you there!